So with winter, more green vegetables, all the more to enjoy these. So these are, if you see these are long. This is the first time I planted sword beans, and I've got this kind of thing. As and of course, then there's the regular cowpea, which is much smaller. Planted lots of these plants, should get some good harvests this year. Then next to that, you got fenugreek. No, this one is coriander. This is fenugreek, and then you got spinach. So, I mean, it's a good harvest this time. Enough for our home consumption for a couple of days, for at least not all meals, of course, but we'll supplement this in a couple of days. We'll get more harvest. So this is a good thing. Mm. Green vegetables are, they are very nutritious, very healthy for you. So, and these are all organically grown. There is no artificial fertilizer. There is no. It's just compost, homegrown compost with some other organic additives, and then um, neem as a spray. That is what I do. I don't use artificial fertilizer or pesticides. So these are very healthy to eat as well. Um, we'll make different types of uh, something called a sag, and then these will be made this along with potato as a dry vegetable. Tasty. It'll be fun. So as and when I get more harvest, I'll keep on posting. Thank you for watching. If you like what I'm doing, if you think there's some value you get from watching this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.